Ever lose database data when a container restarts? Named volumes prevent that, and they are simple to create. Creating a named volume starts with one command: Docker volume create, followed by the name you choose. Say my data. Docker registers this volume and manages it independently of any container. You can list all your volumes with Docker volume ls, or inspect the details of a specific one with Docker volume inspect my data. To mount a named volume into a container, use the -v flag at runtime. Docker run -v my data :app/data, then your image name. Docker maps that named volume to the specified path inside the container. For a more explicit alternative, use the -- mount flag, source equals my data, target equals /app/data. Both syntaxes behave identically. Pick whichever your team prefers. Named volumes outlive their containers. Delete a container and the volume's data stays intact. This makes them ideal for databases and stateful services. In Docker Compose.yml, declare them under the top-level volumes key and reference that name inside each service definition. Unlike bind mounts, which tie data to a specific host path, or anonymous volumes with auto-generated random IDs, named volumes are a stable, Docker-managed reference you can reuse across multiple containers. Create volumes with Docker volume create, mount them with -v, and your data persists beyond any container. Subscribe for more Docker fundamentals. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.